What's going on, everybody? I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to another AI video. Today we have to talk about ChatGPT 4.0's new image generation. It is going completely viral right now. It is wild, wild stuff. Now, when it comes to image generation, the bar keeps getting raised higher and higher. And OpenAI may just be in the lead right now. Just look at the text rendering capability with this prompt right here on this image. Historically, image generations have always struggled with this. Now check this one out. Someone took a sketch, gave it some instructions, and created a YouTube thumbnail. This is insane stuff. All right, another really cool one here. Someone took an image of a desk, told it to create a McDonald's ad out of it, and here is the result. The ability to follow instructions here is honestly amazing. So here's a quick rundown of the latest features. We are talking native multi-modal, text rendering, multi-turn, instruction following, in-context learning, world knowledge, photorealism and style, and access. Now today we're gonna put things to the test today. All right, so let's jump into things here. So this is just on the chatgpt.com platform here, and let's start with uploading a picture here. So I just got this picture here and I have asked ChatGPT to turn this guy into a couple different styles here. I want to go with kind of a cartoon look, maybe a photorealistic look. I added a Lord of the Rings look in there. Let's see what we get. All right, so this is one of the creations. This is more of a Disney Pixar look. It honestly looks amazing. I'm loving the consistency in the outfit and the hair. Hair is looking good. Okay, let's look at the next one here. Next one here. So we want to go with a photorealistic, real life kind of look here. So let's see what we have here. So I'm just going to come on down to my image and let's see what we have. All right, this looks incredible. I mean, come on, this is amazing. This looks so good. Even the detail in the armor and the costume or outfit as well is incredibly accurate. I mean, this is just blowing my mind right now. This video is brought to you by Growth School. 2024 saw record highs of unemployment and layoffs, and this trend is not looking any better for 2025. Even if you have a stable job today, tomorrow is always uncertain. Scary, right? But there's a way to protect yourself and your family. I'm talking about building passive income streams, all done through learning and leveraging cutting-edge AI to earn an extra 10K every month. Growth School is currently offering 3-hour hands-on AI training. You'll learn how to use over 25 plus AI tools, making you irreplaceable no matter how rough the job market is looking. This AI training isn't just for techies, whether you're in finance, marketing, sales, HR, or you're just a student. This AI training is for you. Growth School has helped over 1 million people upskill across the globe. This is your chance to join the top 1% who are mastering AI to the fullest. So click the link below, reserve your spot, and join the top 1%. Here's the best part. This training is normally paid, but it's going to be exclusively free for the first 1,000 registrations who join using the link below. On top of that, registrars will also receive a free $500 bonus worth of extra resources. So make sure you safeguard your future by heading over to the link in the description and registering today. Also, don't forget to join the official Growth School's WhatsApp channel below so you don't miss out on any future updates. All right, I want to jump into another one here. I'm seeing some amazing stuff online where people are making full-on menus, full-on recipes. I mean, just look at these outputs here. Look how clean it is with the wording, with the visuals. Look at the portion sizings. It looks like the portions are at the right scale with the actual measurements here. So this is actually blowing my mind. If you want to go ahead and make this for a restaurant, for whatever you're doing, this is just having like a graphic designer in your back pocket here. We have an easy chicken taco recipe here. Look at this, a baked macaroni and cheese. And this just comes down to the prompt. All right, so I have to give this a try. You know, when it comes down to that kind of accuracy, this is something that has always been missing with image generation. So I have an idea here for an authentic Italian restaurant menu. So I got 3 dishes. I want to have nice, simple descriptions for each menu item. I want to have a nice picture. And I want to make sure the menu has lots of detail and correct word spelling. So as you can see, that is my prompt. Now let's see what we have here. All right, let's take a look here. We have the authentic Italian menu. So I got my 3 items. This is super clean. The accuracy is incredible. Everything is spelt right. This is amazing. The ability to follow instructions here with the accuracy in the outputs, this is something that has always been an Achilles heel for image generations. So this is amazing, amazing stuff. With ChatGPT 4.0 image generation, I mean, really the sky is the limit here. Definitely make sure you give it a go. Now, everything I did today was on the free plan. So definitely recommend you go over there, give it a shot, prompt a few images, get creative, and good luck with your creations.